Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial series. In the previous tutorial, we understood declaring style rules. To declare style rules, we write property name, then we put colon, then we write the value for that property, then at the end we put semicolon. And we understood what is declaration list. Declaration list is collection of style rules separated by semicolon. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about applying styles. How do we apply styles to our web pages? There are three different ways of placing or applying styles in our documents. One way is inline style, and another way is embedded style, and the last way is external style. So three different ways we have: inline style, embedded style, and external style. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about inline styles. Styles that are declared or placed within the tag itself are called inline styles. We use style attribute to place inline styles. Value to the style attribute is declaration list, that is collection of style rules separated by semicolon. Here we have a small syntax written. To apply inline style, we write less than symbol, then we write the tag name to which we want to apply styles, then we use style attribute equal to sign, in double quotations we give declaration list, then greater than sign, then we close the tag itself if it is a paid tag. For example, if I want to apply many styles to paragraph element, then what we do, we write the less than symbol, then we write p tag, then we write style attribute equal to, in double quotations we are going to put or we are going to declare different styles. Then we have greater than sign and the content of the paragraph and closing paragraph tag. Simple. Let's see practically. I minimize this, I go to start, click on run, then I open Notepad and here I write HTML, closing HTML. We know that HTML is divided into two sections. One is a head, so opening head, closing head. Another section is a body, opening body tag and a closing body tag. Inside the head section, I am going to put title, opening title tag. I write here inline style demo, closing title. File, save as. I save the file with the name default default.html. I put both sides double quotation. Then I click on save. You can see that file got created. I right click default.html page, open with the Firefox. Firefox got open. You can see that title is set to inline style demo. First, I put a paragraph inside. So here I create a paragraph tag. We know that paragraph tag is a pair tag. I am going to write a closing p tag also. In between I say hello CSS. We should remember that paragraph tag is a block level tag. It takes the entire width of its parent, that is the browser window itself. Let's say file, save, go to browser and refresh. One of the important thing you need to remember is every browser has its own CSS. Default CSS is applied automatically by every browser to our web pages, even though we don't write any styles. You can see that by default the text is displayed in the black color and the background of the body is set to white color. How? There is a CSS running behind the scene. I discuss about default CSS little bit later. Let's proceed further. Now I want to apply style to this paragraph. So what I do? I am going to use the style attribute. Inside that we are going to declare a style. So first style I am going to use is color, colon, then I give the value white, semicolon. Now what happens? File, save, color is related to the text color. So this hello CSS is going to be displayed in the white color. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that the text is in white color. As we have background also set white, we can't see the text. If I set the background color to this paragraph element, then we can see the text. So to apply the background color, I am going to write after the semicolon, I say background dash color color. So there is a predefined style called as background dash color available in CSS, which allows us to set the background color to an element. So I put colon, I give a value black, then I write semicolon. So I say file, save, go to browser and refresh. As we know that paragraph tag is a block level tag, you can see that this much width has been taken by the paragraph tag, and you can see we have set the background color also. Very simple. Hope you guys are understanding. Similarly, if I want to change the font size of this text, so what I can do, I am going to write here font dash siz size, then we have to write colon, we have to apply the value, let's take 24 pt, then I say semicolon, 24 points. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see that the font size increased. So it's very easy to apply styles using CSS. Hope you guys have understood how do we write inline styles. File, save. Let's go to document. Note, inline styles get applied only to that specific tag in which they are declared. And if any property is inheritable in the declaration list, then that property or a style will get applied or inherited to its successor tags also. This point you need to remember. What are the limitations of inline style? Limitations of inline styles are, if we have many tags and all of them have same common styles, then we have to copy paste the entire declaration list to every other tag. That actually increases the web page size. Let me show that. I create one more paragraph here, and that also going to have some text, hello CSS only p. File, save, go to browser and refresh. It is how it looks. I am going to copy this few times. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Just take an example that we have some 5 p tags here. File, save, go to browser and refresh. It looks something like this. Now, if you want to apply the same style to every paragraph that I have here, then what I have to do? I have to again copy this style and paste to every paragraph. If I say file, save, go to browser, refresh, you can see that all styles are applied to this paragraph element. Similarly, I have to paste here also. File, save, go to browser and refresh. I paste here also. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Again, I have to paste here also. File, save, go to browser, refresh. I have to paste here also. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Just think that if you have 100 paragraphs, then 100 times you have to paste this content, this style to every paragraph, right? Every paragraph you have to apply this style. Let's take you have 100 styles to apply to every paragraph. Then just think your web page size will increase more and more and more, right? So that is one of the biggest limitation. Whatever styles you apply in a tag, those styles will get applied to only that element, not to other elements. So that is one of the limitation of inline style. To overcome this limitation, we use embedded styles that we are going to discuss in the next tutorial. Hope you guys have understood how do we write or place inline styles and what are the limitations of inline styles. For this tutorial, this much is enough, friends. In the next tutorial, we get more information on CSS. For more benefits, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing.